In the middle of a sunny jungle lived Ellie, a young elephant who never made a sound. While other animals roared, chirped, and howled, Ellie stayed quiet.
I wish I had a voice too. Maybe I'm broken.
She wandered into the trees and met Perry the parrot, singing from a branch.
Why so quiet, Ellie?
Ellie, I don't know how to make a sound.
Let's try together. Say Parrot.
When Ellie tried, but nothing came out. She moved on and found Rio the lion cub practicing roars.
Come on, try a roar.
23 still, no sound. She sighed and sat under the moonlight. Then, suddenly, she heard music in the wind. Ellie lifted her trunk and without thinking, toot. A big, warm trumpet sound echoed through the jungle.
Till I found it. Where I found.
And from that night on, Ellie became the jungle's sweetest trumpeter. Moral: everyone has their own voice. You just need to find your way to it.